Here's where you can go to find all the vibration settings found on your Google Pixel phone in which has Android 15. If you just got your Pixel phone for the first time and you want to turn on some vibration settings, bring this down twice like this here and you'll see the settings toggle down here. Once you enter into this area, go down until you see sound and vibration. As you enter here, if you're interested, you'll see all the different volume controls for different functions, but go all the way down here past all this until you see vibration and haptics, this option right here. This is going to be like your master switch for every vibration settings found on your Pixel phone. So if you turn it off, you'll see that your phone has no kind of vibration whatsoever. But if you turn it on now, you have the different options. So for the ring incoming calls here, if you want it to vibrate, you can adjust this here, but bringing it to the far left will basically disable it, or you'll have no vibration at all. You can also have this one turn on, vibrate first when ring gradually here. Now for the notifications. If your notifications are all vibrating and you just simply want to have them in silent, no vibration at all there, you can adjust it here or bring it to the far left so that there will be no vibration for any notification. Same with the alarm. If your alarm has been vibrating and ringing, bring it down to the far left. You also got the adaptive vibration here. Once you have this thing there, you can see what it does there. Phone's vibration is going to be based on your environment, based on places in pocket or loud places. Okay, so when you use this here, it's going to sense around that your sound levels and context data is going to be recorded. Okay, so this is going to help you when your phone's vibration is based on the environment. So it's going to basically vibrate stronger if it's in a loud area, and if you can't hear your phone ringing and it's also vibrating, it's going to ring harder or stronger, I should say, to let you feel it. You got the interactive haptics over here. This one here is where you touch on the display. So for certain functions like the back button gestures, the swipe gestures, navigation gestures, these are all going to vibrate, and you can lower the strength of the vibration by adjusting this here. Or if you don't want any at all, just bring it to the far left. Same with the media vibration. If you're fast forwarding, pressing pause or play, or just going to the next track, you'll notice there's a vibration. If you don't want that, bring that to the far left. And the keyboard. This keyboard option here will only apply to the Gboard keyboard. So if you installed any other keyboards onto your Pixel phone, this won't apply to it. This is only for the Gboard keyboard settings. So if you're using the default keyboard, which is the Gboard keyboard, and you turn this off, you won't get any vibration feedback every time you are typing. There is another vibration option here, which when you come out of here, you can go down to the dialing sounds area here, and you'll notice charging sounds and vibration. So every time you charge your phone or you plug it into charge, it'll vibrate. And if you don't want that, you'll just have to turn this one off as well. And that's that. Like and sub.